What's good, kings and queens? Dylan the Bank here, and today I want to present you guys a very risky project, a cryptocurrency that has a potential to make high rewards but can also leave you with nothing. So be very careful investing what you're willing to lose. And the disclaimer, this is not financial advice, this is just my opinion and what I'm doing. Please do your research and due diligence before spending your hard-earned money. So I came across this project by a guy named 19 Keys, very influential person. And I looked into it, I was curious, I texted the number, and this is what I got. So this is one way to do it. I'll show you guys another way that I found that you can purchase it, but I'll show you both methods. So you need Trust Wallet, and this is important if you're an iPhone user because it's actually a hidden option. You won't have this browser option like by default. It'll just be wallet, dex, and settings. So you have to click that link to activate it, and then go to Uniswap, grab the link, trade Ethereum for TKINU, which is a coin I'll be going over. And one thing that I did not like are the gas fees are very high. You'll see an example. So the coin is called Tsuki Inu, ticker symbol TKINU. Let's go ahead and check out the website. So Tsuki Inu is derived from the Japanese word for moon. And then you could go ahead and read about the coin. It's basically like Dogecoin, Shiba, Safemoon. It's 100% decentralized peer-to-peer currency. You get 2% of every transaction that's bought or sold as a holder, so you're gaining passively in theory. And it's rug proof, so we have locked away liquidity and sent 50% of total supply to a burn address. No chance of a Vitalik rug. And that happened with Shiba coin. So you have to be very careful with all these meme coins. Like, it's a gamble, but the potential to make money is still there. And that's the reason like I'm invested in trying to get some money. Here's the steps how to buy. I'll go ahead and show you in a second. Here you can see the launch schedule, the moon map as they call it, Japanese version of Doge, like all anime style. And this is the moon map, so here's like the objectives that they're trying to hit and that they're going for. So if you want to look up chart information, it is relatively scarce due to it being a new coin, not that much information. But this website does a good job at providing charts and all that. Unfortunately, it's not working, but I'll make sure to leave the link in the description so you can access it on your own. Another way is through Zerion. Go to invest, type in Tsuki Inu. There it is. If we go to the 1 week chart, you can see that it literally came into the market May 14, and today we are at May 15, and it's already 60x'd in less than 24 hours. So the potential is there. It could be a pump and dump. It's like a gamble coin, a meme coin. But hey, if there's money to be made, why not? And here's also where I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna buy. But first I wanna show you the other method first. So let's go here. So the first method is using Trust Wallet. So you need Trust Wallet. Once you enable the browser, you go to Uniswap link. So I'll also go ahead and leave the link in the description, but you can also access this by going to the website, and on the top right it says buy. You go ahead and copy that, and then you're gonna want to go to wallet, go to browser, paste that link, and as you guys can see, my wallet is already connected through Trust Wallet. And then right here we're gonna select Ethereum because it is an ERC20 token, so you need Ethereum. So I wanted to show you guys how I convert and the purpose that I use Litecoin as opposed to other currencies. Litecoin, as you can see, I receive 0.42 and then I receive 0.55. Cost me less than $1 to send that, whereas if I would have sent with Ethereum or Bitcoin, it would have charged me way more, 20-30 bucks per transaction. So Litecoin is efficient in sending transactions, and then you just convert it. So once you're on Coinbase, you hit convert Litecoin. Since I'm trying to get Ethereum, let's go ahead and hit max. no fee for converting, and you're done. Simple as that. So now that we have Ethereum, I'm gonna want to send that. Let's go to portfolio, Ethereum, go to send, and we're gonna need the wallet from the wallet address. So let's get out of here and go to Ethereum, receive, copy. I like to do it based on Ethereum, not on the dollar amount, because it fluctuates. So let's go ahead and send max Ethereum to that wallet that we got, preview send. And only about $4 in fees that Coinbase is charging me, well, for the network. So Coinbase isn't charging me, but the network in terms of gas is gonna be spent. So now we send that, and there it is. So I'll be back in 10 minutes once it's done to continue with the tutorial. Alrighty, now I'm back. Now that I got my Ethereum on my Trust wallet, I'm gonna go ahead and need the link for Uniswap. So now that you copied, go to browser, paste, and it'll bring you up here. And you're gonna wanna switch your Ethereum for your TKINU. And it's so new that they haven't even put up a symbol picture yet for the coin, but it's in the works. You're getting really early on in this project. And right here it says it'll trade it evenly, but there's always some slippage and all this, so you gotta make sure to change the value between 5 and 12%, but it's not the most effective way, which I'll show you right now. So this is the first method. Go ahead and close that. And the second method is using Zerion. So right here, we connect our wallet. We're using Trust Wallet. Click OK. Now we're linked. And let's go ahead and look it up. Invest. And right here. So as you can see, it's already dipped. Oh my God, look at that dip right there. Shoo. Go ahead and click buy. And right here, my balance is 0.79. Review. And as you can see, the slippage is 1%, and the network fee is $30, which is another thing that I like about using this method, is that it shows you everything up front as opposed to using Uniswap. It doesn't take into consideration the network fee and all this, so it's just a headache. And you can see it's auto updating. It was like $23 right now. But let's go ahead. This one's actually using 0x exchange, and that's actually a cryptocurrency just like Uniswap if you want to invest in it. And it's allowing for it, and it's basically a decentralized exchange, and that's what's allowing me to convert my Ethereum into one of these ERC20 tokens. But let's go ahead and hit buy. Oh, you don't have enough to cover the fees. Let's see here. Let's try that again. Success. Done and done. And it's still in the trade, so I'll follow up once it's in my account and I'm able to show you guys. But there it is. That's basically the trade in progress. And if we go back to Trust Wallet, you can see right here, it's pending. So I'll follow up right now in another video. Dylan, the bank is back, and I actually had an error. So I came back to this and I was like, oh. But it turns out, so you gotta really take into consideration the network fee and subtract it, because if it's off by a little bit and you overspend, it'll cancel the transaction. And worst of all, it'll eat up your network fee. So it ate up like $25 for nothing, just because I made that mistake. So instead of being able to get 0.071, now I had to opt in for 0.06. And as you can see, my transaction went through. I have like about 1 billion TKINU. Let's see what happens. I paid like $25 in fees. And here's my other transaction that failed. and this is the one that worked. So you can see your portfolio on Zerion, and you can also check it on Trust Wallet. So for Trust Wallet, you're gonna wanna hit Ethereum, click on the smart contract call. This is the transaction that I did for the swap. Hit more details. And if you go down here to the Uniswap link you can see right here. And then this contract address, it took me a while to figure it out, but I got it. Didn't want to let you guys down with an incomplete video. So you go back to wallet on the top right corner right here. Go all the way down. Hit add custom token. Paste that. Tsuki Inu. Japanese Doge. Save. And bada bing, bada boom. 1 billion. And that lines up with my 1 billion. Where does it say? Oh, right here in the bottom. Can't highlight it, but right here. So all of that lines up. I put about 250 bucks. Let's see what happens. People are saying it should 100x. So 250 times 100 should be a good amount, like good 25,000. Not bad, not bad. The one thing I can't stress enough is that this is a meme coin. This is a gamble. This potentially will not be used in the future as compared to Bitcoin or Ethereum that have actual use cases. But in the short term, this could potentially make you some money. Not financial advice. As you can see, I'm already down 50 bucks, but that's the name of the game. I'm just gonna hold it for about a week, maybe a month, 2-3 months tops. But this is a short-term game, so I'm in and I'm out. Because I'm just trying to maximize gains and minimize risk, even though this is a high-risk coin. But there you have it. This is my little tutorial on how to purchase Tsuki Inu. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to DM me, drop a comment. I'm always open to help. Any questions, so you know what to do. And let me know what you think about this. Do you think it's a scam? It's a pump and dump? Is it worth it? But nonetheless, I wanted to provide this opportunity. If you want to support my page, my Instagram is @DylanTheBank, and so is my YouTube. I just made it, so if you want to help me get to 100 subscribers, I would greatly appreciate that. I have a link tree with all my referral links. And the only way I win is if you win. And with these referral codes, you're getting some extra Bitcoin, you're getting some extra stocks. So the only way I win is if you win. If I'm bringing you value, I would appreciate if you could return the favor. Peace.